This is Diksha Pandey, student of Language House Academy, East Nagar. And today it is 5th April 2020. And first of foremost, I would like to say thanks to all Corona warriors who are still fighting with coronavirus. And as we all know, our Honorable Prime Minister requests us today at 9 p.m. to lit candle, diya, torch, and if we don't have anything, so we can turn on our flash for 9 minutes. And this is and some educated morons are saying that this is the solution for corona, but this is not to solve corona. This is to show that in this time of global problem that we all Indians are together, we are united, we have hope, and we will fight with corona with together, and we will win this war. And we and I will request you all that you will please lit candle, diya, whatever you have, and win with coronavirus.